Hey everyone, Tessa here. I'm going to show you everything you need to know about this high reach duster squeegee set. So let's dive in. One review I saw said that it didn't come with a little user manual, but it does, and they didn't know how to put it together. It's really straightforward. So these are A, B, C, and D, and so you just put them in that order. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. So this is the swivel squeegee. You just push right here and it swivels. And probably all the way over to this side too. So that's the swivel squeegee. And you just attach it right here. And then you have two scrubbers here. This is the chenille scrubber and this is the microfiber scrubber. I'm going to put this one on and I'm going to wash some windows. So you're going to place this on. So you don't want to cover up this part. Just put it in like this. And there's a little rubber band here to place it right into place. So just get that on there too. Velcro. So 2 ways to fasten it. So to install this rubber squeegee blade, you're going to make sure that this side is showing as opposed to this side. So the thicker side. And then you just slide it in here. And there we go. It's all ready to go. I'm going to tackle this window and show you. I don't know how well that shows up on camera, if you can see all that dirt. This is such a dirty window. So I am going to show you what it looks like when I'm done. I used a water and vinegar solution. I just put it in a bucket, then dunked the squeegee in the bucket so it was soaking wet and easy to slide over the window. I realized after that I probably should have used the swivel feature so that I could have gone from side to side instead of up and down since it's a low window. I'm very happy with this. Did a really nice job, nice and shiny. So I just did half the window so you could see the difference. I don't know if that's picking up on camera or not. Okay, so now I'm outside. So this is the clean side of the window, and this is the dirty side of the window. So there's a big difference. Like I said, I hope the camera is picking that up. I can't really tell right now. Because this pole is 69 inches long, I do have these windows in here that are really high up. And so I just wanted to do a little cleaning of these windows to see what I think when I have to reach so high. Oh, it's good. It's great. Yeah, I'm able to put enough pressure on it to get the, even though it's way up there, it works great even with windows that are really high up there. So overall, I think it did a really great job, and just so you know, you can throw it in the washing machine too. This microfiber scrubber seems like what you would use to dust, and I just have it in my hand right now. I just wanted to do a close-up here of this is a great way to get dust off of your shutters, and you can see all that dust there, but let's just take a look here. Just get that off. Oh yeah, look at that. It's right on there. It's not, you know, flying around in the air or anything. So I don't know if you can see the difference. That's where I dusted, and that's where there is more dust. So let's get rid of that. Yes, it does a great job, and it stays on here, so it's not flying all over the room. Very happy with this product.